A for apple, apple means save. B for banana, banana means kela. C for cup, cup means cup. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fox, fox means lomdi. G for grapes, grapes means angur. H for horse, horse means ghoda. I for inkpot, inkpot means dawat. J for juice, juice for juice. A for king, king means raja. L for lemon, lemon means nibu. M for monkey, monkey means bandar. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for owl, owl means ullu. P for pomegranate, pomegranate means anar. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rose, rose means gulab. S for sun, sun means suraj. T for tomato, tomato means tomato. U for umbrella, umbrella means chata. V for van, van means gaadi. W for watermelon, watermelon means tarboos. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.